Perfect. So you're going to wash that door, and then what I want you to do is I want you to take this, keep it flat like that. No, don't open it. Close it again. Close it up. So you're going to wash with the all-purpose one. You're going to close it. There you go. And then you're going to wipe away. Beautiful. And start from the top. There you go. Awesome. You're going to make that fridge beautiful and shiny. No more fingerprints from Joe. Right? How does it look, Anthony? Good? Wow. Look at that compared to this side. Whoo, look at all the fingerprints. Okay, so now you're going to do the other side. So go ahead and take this and start from the top. There you go. And go every single section. Beautiful. You are the best helper ever. I'm going to hire you to come and be my assistant. What do you think, Anthony?
Yeah, I like that.
You like that? Perfect. And make sure... Ooh, look. Ugh, I cannot believe how amazing that thing works. Clean up all those fingerprints. I think there's some right here. Right there. Yep. Okay. And then right where the handle is, I can see it in between. Oh, yeah, right there. The handle, and even the back side there. The back side. Perfect. And then what do? Take that other one, fold it. Can you make it folded? Fold it up a couple more times because it's easier when you fold it. Fold it once. Fold it twice. Can you fold it one more time? One more. Beautiful. Now watch. Put it on your hand, nice and tight, on the fridge, and then dry behind. Make it nice and sparkly. No fingerprints left, no water left, no marks. Nice and shiny. Great. So now you're going to be my tester and tell me, how good does the ENJO fibers work to clean and take away all the fingerprints? What do you think? Look at me. Show me. Is it magic? Oh, yeah. Thank you, Anthony.